Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today we have the BarkBox. She is so excited. Let me tell you, I said, do you want to open your box? And boom, she ran in here like, she is so excited. So today we have August BarkBox. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so August BarkBox just arrived, and now I will drop in a clip of what I purchased for her birthday, because they do ask your pet's birth date. Hey guys, I wanted to jump on here and do a little showing you of something that I added to my BarkBox for Vienna. This month is her birthday month. Her birthday has already passed. It was in the beginning of the month, but last month I got an email from the BarkBox and they were like, we know it's your birthday. Do you want to add anything to your box? And I added 2 things for her. Kind of was a little like, oh man, after I paid for it, I'm like, wait a minute, my box doesn't come until like the middle of the month, which is going to be after her birthday. I know she doesn't know, but I normally always do something for her on her birthday. I know she's like my child. So I wanted to show you the things that I added because I want her to at least play with that today, because if I show it to her when I show her the box, she's gonna only be interested like in one of those toys at the moment. So I would rather break them up, but I wanted to show you what I added. So I added this cake right here, and this says happy birthday pup pie, and this is from the BarkBox. It has the BarkBox logo, and there is all of that, because I'm going to give her some of this. Like I said, I wish she would have got it on her birthday. She doesn't know the difference. I could say this is her birthday month, so she's still gonna get this now, but I'm gonna go ahead and let her try one of her little, and it's so cute. They have them broken up into little pieces, which I do appreciate, because her little self only eats like smaller portions. If I give her something big, she's just gonna look at it like, what's that? So I do appreciate that they do have them broken up into little bite-sized pieces. I like that. And then I had to get her a birthday toy. I thought this was so cute. And when it came in, I accidentally squeaked it like that. And she was like on me like white on rice. She's at the door now. She already heard that. Oh my goodness. She has the best ears. She was like she wanted it. Like she would not sit still. She knew I had a toy for her and I was hiding it from her. So now I'm going to give it to her, especially now. But look, it looks like a piece of cake. Isn't that cute? It looks like a little funfetti cake with a little dollop of whipped cream on top. And it says party animal, happy birthday. It's a fun fuzzy. I just said it looks like a funfetti, and it's literally called a fun fuzzy cake. Look how cute. So I'm gonna go give her fun fuzzy cake so she can play with this today. And then tomorrow I will have her open up this guy. Is that your birthday cake? Is that your birthday cake? Are you gonna have your cake and eat it too? Can I see your cake? Hey, can I see your cake? Yeah. You licking your whipped cream? Can I see that? No? Can I see that? Can you put it in my hand? No? They gave me the option to add on like any birthday type products, and I did. I got her a little cake and a little cake shaped toy. So let's go ahead and dive in here. Let's see the theme and let's see what she's going to be playing with. So if you do not know, BarkBox has 2 different ones. They have the actual BarkBox, which I now am getting for her, and that one is $29 a month if you do monthly. 6 months it brings it to $25, and 1 year brings it to $22. And I think I did a 6-month subscription. And then they have a super chewer box. Your booty's in my way, Vienna. The monthly subscription is $39 for that one, $34 for the 6-month, or $29 if you prepay for a whole 12 months. Am I gonna open your box? What are you licking your chops for? You know your treats are in here too, huh? This little shit. Okay, so Look how cute. They always do such cute themes, and they put their paper and everything with that theme. So the theme of the month is Dog Days. Soak up the last rays of dog days. And it looks like you can cut that out. Slow ya roll. Let your tongue hang loose and find a nice spot on the couch to stick to. Like literally stick to. There's so much sweet. We packed this box with cool treats and floatable toys for outdoor fun. Cause if you're gonna move at all, it better be like seriously worth it. That is so cute. And it shows you can cut that out. So I don't know if you cut it out. Oh, and in the back it says your end of summer checklist. So you get to make a checklist with it. And it says, take a long nap. That's what I need. Take ice cream from a small human. Crash a picnic. Pee in a pool. Blame on human. You better not be peeing in a pool. Catch a baseball. Chew it up. That would be her. Drink from mom's water glass. You better not be listening to this stuff. Roll in the sand. You better not do that either, because I want you dirty coming in. Watch a sunset. Bark at it. That would be funny if she actually barked at a sunset. And it looks like they have some really cool items for this month. And here is some ice cream. Now, I did add on. They gave me an add-on for next month. I did add on the ice cream because I do buy the dog ice cream for her and she loves it. So I did add on that for, so next month you'll see the ice cream that I added on for her. So number one we have is this. Oh no, she's perking up. Look how cute. It's like an ice cream cone that's melted. How cute. Oh, now you want to perk up and chime in. So that is really cute. And it says I float. So if you have a pool or anything, I don't, but she'll just play with this on ground level, not in water, but that says that it floats. Okay. So the bottom looks like that. The top looks like that, one eye all wonky because it's a melted cone. There's that. Then we have, this one says I float as well, and it's a turtle. How cute. And it's my favorite color. Oh, okay. Whoa. Hey, you are on my table, Miss Thing. Do you know that? You are on my table. You're not on the ground right now. But that is adorable. It is, hey, hold on. I gotta see the name here, baby girl. Floaty Jody the turtle. And they look how cute. She's gonna love playing with this. She's gonna be throwing this all over the dang place, aren't you? Aren't you? Yeah, you want that right now? You want that right now? So then you get treats. So her treats, no, hey, hold on. One thing at a time, Missy. This is Have a Cow Dog beef recipe dog treats with chickpeas and carrots. And she loves their dog treats so much. Next is Quack Dat Chickies. Hey, don't be trying to get in there. This is Quack Dat Chickies. I'm gonna have to open this and see. They're shaped. Chicken recipe dog treats with cranberries and duck. Ooh, you're gonna like that. And then they do put in one bigger chew, which I save these because she doesn't chew these. So I give these to somebody who has a bigger dog. This says gnarly dude beef chew, because gnarly dude. So there's that. But again, this is too big of a toy for her. I probably could write them and ask them if they could put in a smaller one, and they probably would, which maybe I should do that because then she can enjoy everything in her box. But there's that. And then look at the theme. Look, it looks like a little pool. Oh. It's like pools shaped. Oh my gosh, that's like a shape like her. It's shaped like a U, like a little dachshund. Oop, now I'm dropping stuff. But how cute is that? So I'm gonna go ahead and put her down on the ground and see which toy she decides to play with. And then I will open these because they look like they're shaped like little, I don't know what they're shaped like. Let me see. Oh, how cute. They're like little suns or something. Like, I'll just give this to her now. You want that? Yep. Okay, so that is what they look like inside. How cute. I smell the cranberry. You like that? You're all done. Did you like that? Oh, you're shaking my camera with your tail. Your box is gonna fall on you. Did you like that? Yeah, did you? Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and move her to the ground so she can play with her toys and have some fun. She's been waiting all month for this box. This is her favorite time of the month, huh? Is this your favorite time of the month? Is it? Is this your favorite time of the month? Yeah? Okay, so hold on. Get your toy. Get your toy. Can I see that? How do you really feel? Can I see that? Get your ice cream cone. Are you trying to rip it apart? You're a beast. Okay, you guys, so that is this month's BarkBox. Thank you so much for watching and seeing my lovely little fur baby enjoying her treats and toys. I just love this box, you guys. If you do want to check them out down below, I will link them down below. You can go ahead and check them out. And yeah, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Then you'll see the different videos that I do load for you guys. Comment down below, did you like this theme? What did you think of this month's box, you guys? Your positive interaction with me means the world, and I greatly appreciate it. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.